Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file a new case. First, you'll need to understand your court's specific e-filing requirements and system, as these can vary. Next, gather all necessary documents and information for your case, ensuring everything is organized and complete. Finally, create an account on the designated court e-filing portal, which is your essential gateway to the electronic filing process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful experience. Now, let's prepare your documents for upload. Most courts require documents in a specific electronic format, typically PDF, so ensure yours comply. Carefully review each document for accuracy and completeness before proceeding to upload them. It is also very important to categorize and name your files clearly. This helps both you and the court easily identify each piece of your case. With your documents ready, it's time to address the filing fees. You will need to calculate and prepare to pay the required fees electronically, often using a credit card or e-check. Before finalizing, double-check all case information and every uploaded document one last time for any errors. Finally, confirm successful submission and make sure to receive and save your confirmation number. This is your proof of filing. After successfully e-filing, your work isn't quite done. It's important to regularly monitor your e-filing account for status updates and any new notifications from the court. Be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for additional information or corrections, as this can expedite your case. Always keep a comprehensive record of all communications and every filed document for your own reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.